Join us on Wednesday, the 15th of October till Friday, the 17th of October for our Restoration and Revival Conference at 6 p.m. right here at Shekinah Tabernacle with Bishop Wicks all the way from the United States.
To tell your brothers, to tell your sisters, it's time for us to take a stand and tell the devil, listen, devil, you can't win because God, He keeps on giving me the victory. So no matter what is happening in my home, no matter what is happening in my job, no matter what is happening in the United States of America, we got the victory.